And it's like at 4 o'clock in the morning.
And now I'm not gonna be able to walk for the rest of the week. Anyways, I'm doing this again.
Looking like Skybri, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cartier's, and the deserve it.
Okay, I'm done. I can't.
Give me top every night in
3:45 in the morning. Last night I put out a poll asking what I should film today, and gave a couple options, like do like a top 10 ways to skip leg day. That should be like some funny video. I think I'll do that in the future. Or basically film my day today. Like currently at this point it's 60% to film today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Got up dumb early so that I don't have to worry about a bunch of people at the gym. Starting off the day with Power Puffs. Protein, cinnamon, cereal. For the first while I'm gonna be like dead because it is 3:40 and I don't have caffeine for my pre-workout, so on the way to the gym I'm gonna stop at the gas station grab a drink. So I do apologize for that. 2% milk because I'm on almond milk. And like 3/4 stuff. Haven't gotten up this early for a workout in so long. Trying to think of a way to be able to video and everything without other people. And this is really the only way. I'm like, unless I do it like a Friday at certain times, which I have to be lucky on which time I get in there. Usually it's always packed full. I'm looking at moving, switching gyms too. 2 options that I'm looking at right now. I may just get a gym membership for both. Then we'll see what times they're full and what times they're not. One's like a serious powerlifting gym and bodybuilding gym. The other one is more like an athletic gym. These things are crunchy and dry. They don't taste bad, but wow. Alright, I'm gonna demolish this real quick. And I gotta get on the road fast so we don't have to worry about other people at the gym. Yeah, that's something you don't understand for a lot of these big influencers and stuff. How hard it actually is to film in a public gym or public space. Especially like going into a store or something like that. Like you have a camera with you always. And I can't see right now because I got these lights on just so that y'all can see. But having a camera with you always is it attracts so much attention. It's so hard mentally. Especially when you're not that big like me. So yeah, we're stopping on a gas station. Closest gas station. Grab probably a Rice Krispie as well. And a energy drink. And it's leg day. At 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, just planning on absolutely obliterating my legs. Got Ghost. Dang. And a big fat Rice Krispie. Honestly, I don't need the caffeine for some reason today. I'm already actually pretty awake, especially for being like, what, 4 o'clock, something like that. And only being on 4 hours of sleep. No, 3 hours of sleep, actually, if that. We're still gonna consume this. That way I have the energy to get through the workout. And I just make a better video when I'm more awake. Also gonna take a scoop of pump serum. Not because I need a big pump today, because it's leg day. I think it helps me a little bit with strength. Not a whole lot, but I think it does help my strength out. So I'm gonna take it for the strength. Alright, I should probably stop videoing. Alright, pulling up right now. There's freaking 2 other cars. I hate videoing with other people. 3 other cars? This gym is way too crowded. I want to use copyrighted music so badly for this. But I'm scared that I'll get like channel strikes or something like that. But copyrighted music, I mean, I'm not making any money. I don't do this for money. I made $0, like through all of my Instagram and everything I've done, and buying a camera and everything. I've went negative, honestly. If you want to like pick my brain or something like that, just drop questions in the comment section. I do respond to like everything.
3 other people at 4 in the morning. Always start Do a leg day, warm up your legs as well. Help you feel what's tight. Like I can feel my abductor is tight, and I can feel my left quad is slightly tight. I just got back from like a week vacation. This will be the first leg day since then. And I think if anything got stronger during the vacation, it'd be my legs. Because first off, I went into the vacation with completely obliterated legs. I did a big mountain biking trail. Did like 30, 40 miles of mountain biking in a day. It was stupid. So I think if anything got stronger, it'd be my legs. But we're gonna see. My deadlift sucked the other day. So hopefully my squat did not suffer. If it did, we're still gonna do squat. One thing I'm big on is if like your squats is suffering one day, why still train squat? Like actually though, just stop training squat the day if your legs are suffering. Like if you can't deadlift 315 one day, don't train deadlifts. I mean, unless you're like weak already, but if your big lift is suffering, don't train it. But otherwise, like you're gonna waste the energy you do have, and it's not gonna give you that much benefit. Yes, I'm low bar squatting. It felt good. There's one. We'll put 2 plates on now. Music they play in here sucks so bad. Like whoever makes the gym playlist, bro, they're the worst. It's like, it's a gym, bro. Make it something exciting, hype. Y'all can probably hear what it is. There's never anything that good. Actually, my legs are feeling good for a single day. After taking a week off. Elbow's still hurting. It's expected. Okay. Now I'm starting to feel it. Gotta warm up. I think I hit depth there. I always watch back the videos and I'm like, whoa, I did not go as deep as I thought I did. Alright, that's what I got for today. I don't know if y'all can read that. I have warm up, then I have squat, and 1 heavy set of 3 reps. Then deloads of 2 sets of 5 reps. Romanian deadlifts, a couple, 4 sets of that, 2 6 reps, 2 10 reps. Then goblet squats, do 2 sets of AMRAP, drop sets, leg curls, 3 sets of AMRAP, calf raises, 3 sets of AMRAP. But yeah, that's what I got. Oh man, we out of focus. Gym's already starting to fill up, and it's only like 4:30. That's stupid. Anyways, gonna hit 3 plates, see how that feels. 3 plates will tell me how my legs are actually doing today. Also, I'm putting my belt on for it. Pretty light. We'll do 365 for 3. Light enough that I should be able to do it easy and not go too heavy. Alright, yeah, 365 for 3 is the goal. Last time I did this, I felt like I had like 2 more, so I could have done like 365 for 5. But yeah, we haven't squatted for a while, so we're just going to stick to this. I'm going to stop talking to y'all so that way I can get locked in for this. Because it is a heavier weight, and I want to be focused. Let's go. Another 10 pounds. Okay, so I'm not that happy with that depth. I mean, I think they were all depth. I think they all counted. but I think it was barely counting. So I dropped to 275 now, and I'm gonna just bury these 5. I'm going to go as deep as my hips allow, which I've had, y'all don't know this actually, but I've had a couple hip surgeries in the past. So hip mobility for me has never been it's never been my strong point. I've never had good hip mobility because I got pins in my hip, which limit it. We're gonna just bury these as deep as I can.
Justin Diamond. Alvin. Let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out of here, Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me. In the fan.
Alright, so RDLs, I think I'm just gonna go off program a little bit. Probably do 2 or 3 sets of this to failure. I hate morning workouts so much. I'm never energized for them. Like, I feel like the amount of effort I can put in the morning is very minimal compared to what I can put out at night when I usually train. This is like 3 times out of this week that I've gone in the morning. The other time was yesterday. Good arm and shoulder day, like crazy arm and shoulder.
Back of my beast, showing them all, fucking my teeth. Never with me in these streets, ooh. Sky Bree hit me in my DM. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah.
10 other people in here right now. It's freaking 5 in the morning. When you're lifting, you're gonna have a crazy workout, you just gotta lock in. Which I think is with my issues. My strength's here, but I just can't lock in like I usually can in the afternoon. In the afternoon, I can just turn my brain off, say screw the world, and lift. It's harder to do in the morning. It's also a little hard to do when you're constantly talking to a camera.
Was it something I did? Still I wonder, 'cause it
Skip
isn't
goblet
too
squats.
clear.
And go to accessories. Leg extensions and leg curls. Instead, the goblet squats. Yes, I'm going to swing a lot here. Use momentum. You go. Switch leg extensions because the one I wanted, this one, opened up. Goal is to failure and past. The drop set to failure and past. And just keep going for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, just rep it. All right.
I don't want no trouble, tired of the lies. You found yourself another, with heart as cold as ice. I'm trying to recover, do you even realize? I'm thinking everything you Can I ask you, was it something I did?
How the heck am I supposed to walk after this? You know, screw it. We get the games though. Oh, I'm gonna sit here for a second. Everyone's like, oh no, I don't got the motivation to get up and work out in the morning. Bro, this ain't motivation. You think this is motivation? You think I was motivated? I got up at like 3:30, bro. But you think I want to get up? Heck no. I'm not getting in here so I can video with other people. Yeah, it didn't work. It's like, the gym's full now. Oh, and now I'm not gonna be able to walk for the next week. Anyways, I'm gonna do this again. Like another couple drop sets, just to further destroy my legs. Oh, dang. Dude, I'm trying to do some posing with my leg. I can't freaking flex them. Dude, that be up. Like, that's the best I can flex right now. Which is kind of sad. Dude, I can't even stand. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done, man. I can't even freaking stand. Alright, so workout's done. It's like cardio room here. Bunch of little videos here. So I'm just screwing around now. Seated low back release. Let's do that. Oh, it's playing. No clue what he is doing. Heading forwards, heading back. Bro, this is hard. I'm doing something else. He's lifting his leg. I can do that too. Oh, skills. I don't know how it helps. Alright, leaving now. I think the mission today was successful. Yeah, today's workout kind of sucked just because it's morning, and I hate morning workouts. I can never focus, so it was hard physically and mentally. But I think it was successful because I'm walking very stiff now. It is 6:16, 6:17. But yeah, it's early. So I think it was a successful leg workout, just a hard one and a stupid one because it was leg day and it was freaking like 4 in the morning when I left. Dude, it loads up in there so fast. I need to find a new gym that's not this full all the time. Also, I apologize. I've kind of been low energy today already, which makes sense because of when I got up, but still, that energy drink should have kicked in a lot more than it did. So I'm sorry about that, guys, but hey, that's what we get. That's my life. It's a day in my life. Well, not a day in my life, more like 4 hours in my life or something like that. So yeah, we're heading home to edit right now. Also, I'm not sure how much more storage space we have in this camera. So, yeah, I'm gonna head home, grab the new SD card, and edit a reel or two for y'all, because I'm awake and I'm probably not gonna fall asleep. Maybe take a short nap or something like that before work. I am gonna be moving soon to like an hour away, and they got some serious gyms, which I mentioned earlier in the video. So hopefully I can get into one of those serious gyms, like a private gym with less people and where it's more accepted to video and yell and everything. And you don't have to come at 3 in the morning to have no one so you can. And even at 3, it's still, I don't get it. How do these people who are retired still get up at 3? Like, you're retired. Sleep in, bro. Hey, whatever. It's their life. It's their choice. They can do what they want. Anyways, we heading home now. Let's go. See you there. Been home for a little while. I got like 20 minutes before I have to leave for work. I edited a couple of videos. I'm gonna take a quick nap real fast, man, because I'm exhausted. I'll pick you back up probably my lunch break, which I end up probably being like 3 o'clock or something like that, because I get lunch really late. So I know I filmed more, but apparently everything else got deleted. Because I cannot find the video or the footage anywhere. So this is the outro now. I actually did film some more, like what I did afterwards, but just I can't find the footage. Like, I know it's on one of my cards, but It was on one of my cards, but I can't find it anymore. So anyways, if you enjoyed, check out another video here.